Welcome back. Good programming practice requires anticipating errors. One of many errors is the division by zero error. In this lecture, we will use the if-else statement to perform basic input validation, ensuring our program doesn't crash if the user enters 0 as a divisor. 1. Reading inputs. We need two numbers, a numerator and a denominator. Both are read as strings and immediately converted to floats to allow for decimal division. 2. The conditional check. We place the division logic inside an if statement. The condition checks if the denominator is not equal to 0. If this condition is true, we can safely proceed with the calculation. 3. Handling the error case. If the denominator is equal to 0, the if condition is false and the else block executes. Instead of crashing, the program gracefully prints a warning message to the user, explaining the problem. This simple structure protects your program from a runtime crash. To summarize, you should validate input where potential errors exist, especially for division. You may use an if-else structure to specifically check for and handle the invalid case. We have now learned conditional flow. Next, we move to the second type of flow control, iterative flow. Our next lecture 0906. While syntax.